Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lili Trusyati. I come from UPI, and today I would like to share about my article, and the title is A Review of Research Trends on Metacognitive and Science Education Within the Past Decade. And the authors are myself, and then Prof. Nuriani Rustaman, Prof. Ari Widodo, and Prof. Min Suha. Let's see, the first part is background. Okay, at least there are three basics of my background. The first is metacognition is very important in the science education, and for the research trends in education in the past decade is mapping about the metacognitive. And the last, for the metacognitive described for the research in the future, and the study can as a baseline for the further research. And the next is method. The method of the article to compile the data, we use the survey method. And the purpose of the survey is describes the characteristic of a population. And how many subjects of this research? The subject is 30 articles which focus on metacognitive in science education and have highest citation within the past decade. The years start 2009 up to 2019. And the search from the Google Scholar and the reputable journals. And the results, the first about the percentage of the role of metacognitive. Based on the analysis, metacognitive as input is the highest, the highest search. And the second results about the percentage of scientific disciplines studied. And for the metacognition, still focused in science in general, not in discipline science, for example, chemistry, physics, biology as sciences, and other concept specific. And the next result about the how many frequencies and percentage of aspect which relation to metacognitive in science education. And let's see, in the table, we can see the highest score still focus on science concept. And the number is 26.7%. And also focus on inquiry learning, 16.7%, and relate with the self-regulative learning, 16.7%. The next result is about the metacognitive knowledge. Based on the frequencies and percentage of metacognitive aspects studied, the highest score in metacognitive knowledge, specifically about strategies, 56.7. And let's see the last result about the number of studies by age group. And the dominant research on metacognitive still focus on higher education, more than 69%. And the conclusion of the analysis in the paper, the first is metacognitive in science education still focus dominant in higher education for pre-service teacher, and also focus on metacognitive skills, specifically in aspect regulating or controlling and metacognitive knowledge. And also the metacognitive still focus as the input. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.